About 60% of America's aluminum is being recycled, yet more than 1 million tons of aluminum containers and packaging, such as soda cans, TV dinner trays, aluminum foil, are thrown away each year. Although aluminum is less than 1% of the nation's municipal solid waste stream, it remains one of the most valuable recyclable materials. Used aluminum beverage cans remain the most recycled item in the United States, but other types of aluminum such as siding, gutters, storm window frames, and lawn furniture can also be recycled. Aluminum has a high market value and continues to provide an economic incentive to recycle. Recycled materials such as aluminum also provide manufacturers with valuable feedstock. For example, recycled aluminum cans are used to make new cans. In fact, nearly 55% of a new aluminum can is made from recycled aluminum. The first all-aluminum beverage can appeared in 1963. The act of recycling used cans began in 1968 in California. 1 million pounds of aluminum cans were recovered that year, an amount that is melted in about 4 hours today. Here are some more facts about aluminum. Discovered in the 1820s, aluminum is the most abundant metal on Earth. 20 years ago, it took 19 aluminum cans to make 1 pound, but today, aluminum beverage cans are lighter, and it takes 29 cans to make a pound. Americans throw away enough aluminum every 3 months to rebuild our entire commercial air fleet. In 1994, Americans recycled 64.7 billion aluminum cans, 2 billion more than in 1993. Every minute of every day, an average of 123,097 aluminum cans are recycled. Today, the national average of aluminum can recycling is 2 out of every 3 cans. Tossing away an aluminum can wastes as much energy as pouring out half of that can's volume of gasoline. Making new aluminum cans from used cans takes about 95% less energy, and 20 recycled cans can be made with the energy needed to produce 1 can using virgin ore. Recycling 1 aluminum can saves enough energy to keep a 100-watt bulb burning for almost 4 hours or run your television for 3 hours. Because aluminum lying in our landfills will still be around in 200 or more years, recycling cans and scrap aluminum makes sense. Recycling aluminum is so easy. Just rinse and store until your next trip by the recycling center or drop-off area. By recycling aluminum, you will be helping to complete the recycling loop. An aluminum can recycled today will be back on the grocery shelf in about 90 days.